Hi, very good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, and the chapter name is Data Handling. In the last year, you have learned what is data, how do we collect the data, how can we represent the data in tally mark. Can you remember that, dear students? Yes. Now, in this chapter, we are going to learn the topics like mean, range, mode, median, bar graph, and probability. Have a look on it. Here the data is given, and from this we have to find mean, range, mode, median. Before that, we have get a knowledge on what is that. First we will see mean. Mean is defined as sum of all the datas divided by number of the datas, which gives us average result of given data. Let us see some examples to find mean. Example 1. Find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. The first 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step is to write the formula of mean. Sum of all data divided by number of the datas. Now, add all the data and write as a numerator. Count the number of data and write as the denominator. Sum of all datas 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Number of the datas is 5. Now add the numerator. We get 10 by 5. 10 by 5 we get 2. We have got our mean value 2 from this example. Let us see another one example. Find the mean of first 6 odd numbers. The 6 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. After that, write the formula of mean. Sum of all the datas divided by number of the datas. Add all the datas and write as the numerator. 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. We get 36 divided by 6. Number of datas is 6. 36 divided by 6 we get 6. We will see one more example. A cricket scores the following runs in 8 innings. Find the mean. Write the formula of mean. Sum of all the datas divided by number of the datas. Now, all data and write as the numerator. Add all the datas and write as a numerator. 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100 divided by number of the datas. Number of the datas is 8. Now add the numerators. We get 400 divided by 8. 400 divided by 8 answer is 50. So mean is equal to 50. Let us see range. Range is the difference between highest data and lowest data. Highest data minus lowest data. Now let us see example. Example 1. Find the range of first 6 odd numbers. The first 6 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. After that, write the formula of range. Range equal to highest data minus lowest data. From this data, highest data is 11 and lowest data is 1. So 11 minus 1 equal to 10. Range is equal to 10. It's time to learn mode. Mode means the data which occurs the maximum number of times. Let us see an example. Example 1. The weights of 10 students of class 7 in KG are as follows. Find the mode. We have to count how many times a number occurs start with 33. How many times does 33 occur? Yeah, 33 occurs 2 times. Then 30 occurs 2 times. Then next data 35. 35 occurs 3 times. The next data 28. 28 occurs 2 times. The next data 40 occurs 1 time. From this, find which data has occurred maximum number of times. 35 occurs 3 times. So, we get mode as 35. We will see another one example. A cricket scores the following runs in 8 innings: 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0, 100. Find the mode score. Mode means the data which occurs the maximum number of times. Now we have to count how many times a number occurs. Start with 58. 58 how many times occurs? Yeah, 1 time. 76 1 time. 40 repeated 1 time. 35 occurs 1 time. 46 occurs 1 time. 45 occurs 1 time. 0, 100. So all the data occurs only 1 time. So what is the mode of the score? Yeah, from this, find which data has occurs maximum number of times. No data occurs maximum number of times. So we get no mode. Important note: a set of numbers may have one mode, more than one mode, or no mode at all. Let us see median. Median means middle of the number or middle of the data. We will solve an example to find median. Example 1. Find the median of 12, 13, 16. What is the middle of the number? Yeah, median is 13. Yeah, correct. Next example. Find the median of 10 and 12. So the median, find the median of 10 and 12. Now add these two numbers divided by 2. 10 plus 12 divided by 2. We get 22 divided by 2. Answer is 11. Median is 11. If we have 2 or 3 data, it is easy to get answer directly. But when the given data is greater than 5 or more, it is difficult to get the direct answer. In this case, we will use the formula of median. Let us see the steps and the formula of median. Step 1. Arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Step 2. count number of the data. Step 3, if n is odd formula of median, n plus 1 divided by tooth position. If n is even, the formula of median equal to n by tooth position plus n by 2 plus 1th position divided by 2. Let us see the example. Example 1. Find the median of 15, 22, 14, 22, 24. What is the step 1 finding the median? Yeah. Step 1. Arrange the data in ascending order. After that, next step, count number of the data. Number of the data is 5. 5 is even number or odd number? Yeah, 5 is odd number. So, now we will use the median formula, n plus 1 divided by 2th position. N is number of the data. Number of the data is 5. N replace the number 5. 5 plus 1 divided by 2th position. 5 plus 1, 6 divided by 2th position. 6 by 2, 3rd position. So the median is 3rd position. Now look at the ascending order data. Count the 3rd position. What is the data? 3rd position is 14, 15, 22. So the 22 is median. Median is 22. Let us see another one example. Find the median of 23, 24, 45, 43, 27, 48, 53, 38, 49, 26, 40, 57. Step 1. Arrange the data in ascending order. After that, count how many data. Count number of the data. Number of the data is 12. 12 is even number. Now we use even formula. Median of equal to n by 2th position plus n by 2 plus 1th position divided by 2. N is 12. Replace the number 12. 12 by 2th position plus 12 by 2 plus 1th position divided by 2. 12 by 2, 6th position plus 6 plus 1th position divided by 2. Next step, 6th position plus 6 plus 1, 7th position. Now look at the ascending order. Look at the ascending order. Count 6th and 7th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th position is 40 and 7th position is 43. 40 plus 43 divided by 2. 40 plus 43 we get 83. 83 divided by 2. 83 divided by 2, what is the answer? Yeah, 41.5. Median is equal to 41.5. My dear students, now you take your classwork note. Now we are going to start our chapter data handling classwork. First write the chapter name, chapter number 3 and chapter name data handling. Use black pen to write heading and questions, and the steps can be written in blue color pen. Next heading is data. The definition of data copied in your classwork note. After that, write the formula: mean, range, mode and median. Copy down these formulas in the classwork notebook. After that, example 1, 2, 3. These examples copy down in the classwork notes. After that, we have completed the classwork note. Take the photos and send the images to edustar.7@gmail.com.